All right, we're looking at a picture of the forklift attachment. Now, you can see right here there's an angle. And this angle is simply the angle that allows these forks to sit relatively flat when everything's down on the ground. And that angle could change with the height of your ATV, or even the larger tires might make a difference. These two bars just stop whatever you've picked up from rolling back and hitting the front of your quad. Now these forks, after I had designed this and tried it out, I learned that they should have been farther apart on each side. That way it enables you to pick up a load without worrying so much about actually trying to get the load centered perfectly. This, the way it is not that great. And if you're not in the center of what you're picking up, it does tend to tip from one side to the other. As far as making this, it looks pretty well like your standard snowplow attachment. In fact, from here back to this end, it's virtually the same. So you can just simply copy that, put about the same angle is going to work for this as it did for your snowplow. Now I made these forks out of material that I had laying around, some hexagonal stock. If you don't have anything like that, you can use a piece of pipe. Maybe pipe like this one is a 1-inch diameter pipe, a fairly thick wall. And of course you'd want to do something with the end here. You'd want to put something in there, perhaps something like this, kind of a bull nose, and press it in there just to stop things from getting in there and to make it easier for it to slide underneath things that you might want to pick up. And that's just about it. If you'd like to be notified of other new modifications, please click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.